Are you guys also annoyed by the side button settings after the One UI 7 update? So after the One UI 7 update, my power button just turned into the Gemini shortcut. So before that, I used to hold down this power button and I could access my power settings directly. Now either I have to swipe down the quick panel settings or I have to press the power and the volume button down and hold it. But to reset this, you can go into settings, and then in settings, you can go down to advanced features. In advanced features, you have to go to side button settings. In side button settings, you can select what the long press does. So here we just have to select the power off menu. Now it's back to default settings. But there's one thing more. You can also select what the double tap does. So here I have selected that if I double press this power button or the side button, it just turns on the flashlight quickly. So now you can see